Hello guys and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check liquidation areas for any crypto coin, whether it's BTC or ETH. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to Safari and then typing Ethereum Liquidation Heatmap in the search bar. It may take a few seconds to load. Once it's done, just click on the first website link that appears in the results. After that, you will land on this page, where you can clearly see the heavy liquidity clusters on the chart. These areas usually show where a lot of liquidations can happen, which is very useful for analysis. You can do the same process for BTC or any other cryptocurrency as well. Just go ahead and type BTC Liquidity Map and tap on the first link. Once you do that, you will land on a similar page, where you can see the liquidity clusters for Bitcoin. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful content. And until next time, see you soon.